Hello students, welcome to the English class, and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. It is not new for you, but might be you must not be knowing its name. So let us start. We are going to learn about synthesizing information. So before starting, let me ask you a few questions. I think the graphic itself explains a lot. What do you think about IPL? क्या सोचते हो आप IPL के बारे में? Do you like the game? Do you like IPL being hosted or not? क्या लगता है? ये अच्छा है, बुरा है, होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए? So basically it was a very new format of the game. So how it all started and what is your opinion about it? आप क्या सोचते हैं? So basically जब आप सोचते हैं कि ये अच्छा है, बुरा है, इसके कुछ एडवांटेजेस हैं या डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं, लेट मी आस्क यू, आवर जीडीपी इज ग्रोइंग ड्यू टू दिस, इज इट सो? आपको क्या लगता है दैट इट इज गिविंग अ बूस्ट टू अवर इकोनॉमी और नॉट? वेदर इट इज गिविंग अ रोबस्ट हेल्दी कंपटीशन इन द गेम और नॉट? क्या लगता है कि इसकी वजह से एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट जो है वो प्लेयर्स के बीच में डेवलप हो रही है या नहीं हो रही? देन अगेन इट इज ऑल्सो प्रमोटिंग द इंडियन टूरिज्म. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? सो बेसिकली whenever we think about something, so what are the things that shape our opinion? आप जो भी सोचते हैं, आपका क्या परसेप्शन है, क्या थिंकिंग है उस चीज को लेके, तो क्या लगता है आपको कि आपकी थिंकिंग डेवलप करने में क्या क्या चीजें काम करती हैं? लेट अस नाउ क्विकली सी द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंथेसाइजिंग. सो बेसिकली सिंथेसाइजिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ पुलिंग टुगेदर इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज. जब हम किसी भी बारे में अलग अलग सोर्सेज से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, उसको ज्वाइन करते हैं, so as to develop a better understanding, ताकि हमें उस विषय के बारे में संपूर्ण ज्ञान मिले, so as to develop original understanding of the subject. We use synthesizing. So I know all of you have played this game. What do you think? What is this? Basically, it is a jigsaw puzzle. So it is like piecing together all the pieces of a puzzle. आपने बचपन में खेला ही होगा, जब हम सारे पीसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं तभी हमें इन एक्चुअल पता लगता है कि उस पिक्चर में बना क्या हुआ है. सो बेसिकली ईच पीस विल गिव यू अ लिटिल इनसाइट एंड देन you have to join all the pieces together so as to understand the complete picture कि उसमें क्या दिया गया है. Same is the matter with synthesizing. जब हम किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में सोचते हैं तो synthesizing means हम different resources को रेफर करके, different sources of information को रेफर करके एक अपनी ओरिजिनल, ऑथेंटिकेट और रियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग को डेवलप करते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. इट इज अ रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल. वी ऑल हैव फेस्ड दिस, द कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक. जब ये आया तब आपने क्या सोचा कि आपने इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से कलेक्ट की? बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस वर हाउस अरेस्ट. हम लोग हाउस अरेस्ट थे, कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन में थे. एट टाइम्स न्यूज़पेपर्स वर ऑल्सो नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. तो उस समय आपने इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से ली? सो यू मस्ट बी रेफरिंग डिफरेंट सोर्सेज. लाइक वी आर हैविंग either newspaper, a news website or a news app. You must also be resorted to the internet sources like we can say Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There were also stories about COVID-19 pandemic were shared. What was the current status? Where it has been turned into more severe and where it is less effective. We get to know from various sources. Then it means that you are getting information about the same thing. We are talking about the same topic, that is COVID-19, but we are taking the help of our friends who are living in different areas. You might be checking the YouTube, and there were also precautionary and preventionary messages from the doctors which were given time and again by the health department, by WHO, so as we are being in a healthy state. So basically each source acts like a piece of the puzzle, and they give you only a certain amount of information. If I am going to YouTube, if I am going to a news broadcast, if I am going to radio, then I am having different informations, and then at last I am joining all the pieces together and creating a single holistic picture what the current scenario of that pandemic was in front of us. Okay. Now you have to basically remember 3 things for this. So let us do a quick recap. The first thing is that synthesizing is an important reading skill. बहुत ही important reading skill है ये. Then it helps us sort and organize the information we consume. Generally, we are having an information blast nowadays through various resources. But which one is real, which one is authentic, and which we have to use to substantiate and validate our understanding. हमें कौन सा सोर्स यूज करना है, जो हम इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ रहे हैं वो ठीक भी है या नहीं, और उसके बाद एट लास्ट we have to separate information. This you do during your exam time also. Suppose you are reading about any topic, so you refer one book and you think, no, I am not been able to understand. Let me watch a video on that particular topic. Then you go to WhatsApp or you go to internet and you check certain videos, audios and other information also. So basically synthesizing means supplementing, combining into a integrative and cohesive unit. So after this is our helper. How we are going to combine the elements, how we are going to combine the information. हम कैसे करेंगे? हम एक टेम्पलेट की मदद लेंगे. जो भी आपका टॉपिक है उसे आप लिखेंगे. जिस भी बारे में आप सर्च करना चाहते हैं, जिस भी बारे में आप सिंथेसाइज करना चाहते हैं, after that you refer 2 sources or more than 2 also. It depends upon you. Suppose I want to collect some information about the current status of pollution, then I am going to refer 3 to 4 sources for that. तो आप इसमें increase कर सकते हैं. क्या देखेंगे हम उसमें? Basically एक source से मेरा main idea क्या है, उस main idea को supplement क्या क्या चीजें कर रही हैं. This I have to check and I am going to write down in my graphic organizer. The same I will going to do with source 2. And if you are having another sources also, then you can also substantiate your matter from different or various sources. At last, what I have learned from all of them, I have combined it and then it develops my understanding about a particular subject or a topic when I combine all the elements. So now after learning this, now we have a task time. So basically you have to choose any of these topics and then refer to various authentic and real sources which provide you original understanding about a topic, and then put the information in a graphic organizer and come at last with a concluding piece or a cohesive unit. That's all in this video. Thank you and happy learning.